can see the masala is somewhat ready, and
Okay.
oil also
Is releasing.
yeah, oil also has come out.
Okay.
So it's time to add the chicken.
Okay. So this is 1 kilo of marinated chicken, marinated with oil, salt, red chili powder, and turmeric powder. Okay.
So while cooking chicken, the technical thing behind the chicken,
Okay.
after adding chicken, you have to wait to see that the chicken will release water.
Okay.
So do not add water immediately to the curry.
Okay.
Chicken will release a lot of water. It will release a lot of water.
Okay.
So that will mix with the masala, and masala will mix with the chicken.
Okay.
So you have to wait for that. And after adding chicken, after some time you can add chicken masala, garam masala, all those things.
Okay, coming back to the topic of your feast. So, where did we leave? So your plan which will become successful after 5 o'clock.
Success after, not after 5 o'clock. After 5 o'clock, we will
Start planning.
start another conversation whether we will go for it or not.
Okay.
Then around
This
8
this
to 9
this.
p.m. at the night,
Okay.
this plan, this plan will execute at that time.
Okay.
At that point of time, we will go to the veggie market to get the stuff for salad and
Salad.
rice.
Salad, rice.
Salad and rice.
Okay.
And at that time, while around 11 to 12 or 11:30 like that, we will go to the chicken shop owner's house to
Okay.
get the chicken.
Okay.
And obviously you can know, like, he will not he will not dress the chicken, or he will not cut the chicken. So we do the dressing and cutting.
You bring the whole chicken
Yes, we
with feathers.
The whole chicken and live
Okay.
chicken.
Okay.
And
That is an alive.
yes.
Okay.
That is live chicken, and some of my friend or some other people are there who will
Who know
kill
how
it.
to cut?
Yeah, who will kill it,
Okay.
and they will cut and dress all those things,
Okay.
and cooking will start around 12:30.
In the midnight.
Yes.
Okay. So who does the cooking? You said that all your friends are there. So there's no professional cook who's available at that time,
There
obviously.
is no professional cook, but we have some of my friends who cooks very well,
Okay.
and they know the exact. They know how to get the exact aroma of the
Chicken.
chicken.
So, do you want to take names of your friends who
Yes,
cook?
mostly Abhinandan. Yes,
Okay.
Abhinandan is he works like a professional chef.
Okay.
If he is cooking, then you have to cut the garlics
Okay.
with perfect angle, and that should look good.
Okay.
He will wash everything,
Okay.
and at the midnight also he will wash everything, and he will do in a perfect way.
Okay, like a professional chef, is it?
And
Okay.
the taste is also good while he is cooking.
Okay.
And
Shadi Rita.
Abhinandan is a good cook, and Bode also.
Okay.
Bode also make good chicken, and he can make varieties of food like chicken biryani he can do. Most of the things he can do, like from masala.
Sir, what does he make? You
Can
said
make
he
everything.
can make
He and-
everything.
He and Avinandan can make everything. When we used to stay in room at Hyderabad
Okay.
before marriage,
Okay.
we used to make gulab jamun. We used to make vada at midnight.
Oh. And your bole was the cook.
Yes. And one more thing I'll add: if Bole is cooking, you have to bring, like he can add cream in dal. So
He can add cream in dal.
Yes.
Okay.
So you have to bring those things. So
Okay.
when Bole is cooking.
He's like a gourmet chef, is it?
Yes.
Okay.
And after that, we have fast food cook also.
Oh.
Not fast food. If you are thinking like fast food means Chinese fast food,
Mm-hmm.
that is not. You can do cooking fast.
Oh,
Like,
fast,
if,
you mean?
If someone is taking 45 minutes to
Cook chicken.
cook chicken, then
Okay.
he can do it in 20 minutes.
Okay, who is it?
Yes, he is Somnath.
Oh.
Every time is while he is cooking, the gas then should be
Hi. Oh.
if you have any option in your gas kit more than high, then you can do that also.
Okay.
But taste is also good while
Okay.
Somnath is cooking.
So Avinandan and Bole and Somnath are great cooks in your friend circle, is it?
Yeah,
Okay.
you cannot say. I mean, I don't remember the others. And
Okay.
one of our friends is Papuna.
Papuna. Yeah.
He is a, I mean, by profession, he is a cook also. You can say like
Dhaba.
Yes, kind of dhaba. Yes.
Okay.
So he is a, you can say he is a professional cook.
Okay.
So most of the time while after marriage, when I am going to my hometown,
Okay.
when we friends do
Feast.
meetups.
Meetups.
At that time, in my hometown only. At
Okay.
that time, Papuna,
Cooks.
yes.
Okay.
And
Okay. So he's a professional cook, so we can't doubt on his cooking, I guess, because he will be cooking all day.
yes.
Most of the time.
Mostly, I mean, if you go to his shop,
Mhm.
we can get chicken pakoda
Mhm.
and soups.
So how does he charge you? A big question from audience like me. Does he charge you? Papuna, who has a restaurant or a dhaba?
Why he will charge?
Oh,
As I
oh.
said, he is also a friend of ours.
But you never bring chicken pakoda for me when we go to hometown from his shop.
Actually, his shop is a little bit far from our home.
Okay.
So I used to bring pakoda from the nearby shops.
Okay.
Yes.
So coming back to our chicken curry, let's see how far has it gone. It has been almost 40 minutes that we are cooking.
As you can see, there is no water till now.
No, we have to wait for the
We
water
have
to be
wait.
released.
Yes, we have to wait for the water. So now you can see some water came out. See,
Lot of water.
more to come actually.
Okay. It has been more than 45 minutes. What do you have to say about it?
Good food takes time.
Oh.
Can add chicken masala to this.
Okay. You think chicken masala powder is important? Hmm?
Chicken masala will, and whenever you will do chicken,
Mm-hmm.
you will get the exact chicken nasty smell. But we call it some meat smell. Meat has some smell.
Okay.
It will be there whenever we will do meat. Some
Any kind of meat.
any kind of meat.
Okay.
That will be there.
Okay,
if
so-
you add chicken masala or meat masala to that,
Okay.
it will
Decrease that.
increase that smell.
Will it decrease or will it go off completely?
No, it will not go off completely because I mean somewhat it will not decrease. You will not get that smell
Okay.
while eating the chicken because chicken masala. I mean, the same thing is there, but we just did some time before. It has
The grind powder.
Yes, it has all the dry masala powder.
Okay.
So, I mean, if you don't
That
have-
will
if you don't
enhance
have-
the-
Yes, if you don't have chicken masala, then you can add separately like cinnamon and
Cardamom.
cardamom. If you add
Dry
masala
Spice,
powders,
okay.
dry spices,
powder. Are you saying the whole spice?
not whole spice. You have to do a mixture of that and you have to add it because whole spice means it will be awkward whenever you will eat a chicken. You will get a big cardamom inside your
Mouth. It will not look good.
It will not taste good, and you will, and all the chicken eating emotion will vanish at that point of time. Whenever you get a big cardamom. So,
So when I make, sometimes I do that. What do you have to say about that?
no comments.
Okay. So you said a lot about your friends in this
Yes,
video.
I forgot to mention some names.
Okay.
To name of my friends who make good chicken curry.
Okay.
Make good cooking. They are Vikas. Vikas is a good cook.
Okay.
And Balraj is also a good cook.
Oh.
Yes.
So I think this video is going too long. So I think you have a great rapport with your cousins, with your sisters, siblings also, cousins, siblings, everybody. So do you want to say about that in this video, or should we do another video, a cooking video with talking about your siblings?
Talking about my family persons, they all are good cook.
Have childhood memories
There
and
are lots of memories. You cannot, you cannot make a video of that.
oh my god, that. Yeah, tell me, go on.
I was saying like my childhood memories are so vast that you cannot store it in a storage device.
Oh.
Or you cannot store it anywhere. That is stored in my or my siblings' memory or heart or brain, whatever you can say.
Okay, that was very touching.
That was very touching and that was also very vast.
Uh-huh.
I hope, I don't know, I know so that everybody has a good childish memory, childhood
Like you're
memory.
talking in general, that
No, not
everybody
in general,
in your family.
whoever I know like you and my friends.
Okay,
So
okay.
That will be always very much to say.
It will not end and you'll go on and on.
Go on and on.
Okay.
So it's better to keep them in everybody's heart and just to feel it.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
I can see water in chicken. What do you have to say about it?
No, this is not butter. I have already added the extra water to this.
Okay.
So now it's already done, I think.
Okay. So, okay.
Potatoes are almost cooked.
Okay. So what have
So I
we
have
done
added-
till now?
I have added water.
Okay. The water is released completely from chicken. After
Yes.
that, you have added
Yes.
water.
After that, I have added water based on the curry quantity,
Okay.
and on top of that, I have added garam masala powder.
Okay.
You can see this.
So we had chicken masala powder earlier, and after you added water, we added garam masala powder.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. So the curry is done.
Okay.
Chicken pieces are also getting cooked properly. You can see
Mm-hmm.
it is getting smashed by pressing it.
Mm-hmm.
So you should not add this much of oil.
You think it's more oil that you have added by mistake, is it?
Yes.
Okay. Because it's a big container, I think for that reason you did not get.
Yes, you can say so.
Mhm.
And also I have mentioned like I'm a temporary.
Yeah,
So
yeah, right.
you should ignore all those things.
Okay. So for that only, I'm saying that we are eating this occasionally.
Going
So
to turn off the
flame.
flame and I will add the cinnamon powder. Add. Yes. It is done.
It's done. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have not missed Arush's reaction throughout the video. He has been crazy in the whole video, and the second part he was uncontrollable. Would you like to add something?
Yes, please do watch the second part of this video. This will be more. You will get more fun on that. I have mentioned some of my friends who are cooking very good, and you will get to know by watching this video. And please do like, share, and subscribe this channel also, so that she will be happy. Good luck.
Okay, so he has mentioned something about his family as well. I hope you have not missed that, and I hope to see you soon again. It has become very difficult for me to upload video because he is working all day throughout the week, and it's not possible for me to upload. I have recorded some videos, but I don't get time to edit and upload. So please bear with me. I'll be making schedule for my videos. I hope I'll be making it very soon. And thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great week ahead. Please subscribe, like, and share it with your friends, and comment down below for any suggestions.